chance to reach to the international level court, like for this event, like International Court of Justice. So it is really kind of a historic and important event for me and for all the Kachins. Nowadays we have to lobby again Aung San Suu Kyi not to deny the genocide, not to defend the human rights. We have to do it again. So it's really awkward situation, but we have to be what we believe, right? So nationalist ideology, we call it Burmanization. I think that's just what I really wanted to argue, because she would deny, even she know that like there's no access, humanitarian access to the ground level. She know that, but she denied on the when she did interview. She said no, there's access and there's no crimes. It's really like kind of she denies saying that. So even today, she say like there's no such thing even in other in the area Kachin state or somewhere like that. Actually, that's really wrong. She just said today about in the Kachin area how much like how far that you get into the ground level. She doesn't know at all. In the ground level, like normal people, we are no voice, no voiceless, and then like Aung San Suu Kyi, even she have the power, she just ignore it, and then she said it's not really true evidence, not fact finding or something. It's really good that Gambia, they brought forward about the fact-finding mission from the UN and stuff like that. That's really important. That because Aung San Suu Kyi denying that.
From Bathule. Bathule is the name of the grand state in Burma, and then we have to flee our villages. We have been persecuted. We have been our villages. When I was 12, my village was burned down by the Burmese military. So I became internally displaced persons, IDPs. I had been hiding for a few months in Karen State, but there was no safe place. So I fled to Thailand when I was 12. So I became refugee in Thailand. And then I grew up in Thailand. And then as refugee in Thailand, we didn't have opportunity in terms of, we were not treated like human in refugee camps. Beginning of our journey to be successful in bringing the justice to the international community. So the Karen people want justice for everyone in Burma. Yeah, we have been fighting for justice for so long. So this is the first opportunity. So we really want international community to help us to bring justice.
Absolutely denial. It's absolutely we had this the word that coming from the Aung San Suu Kyi. As long as she came to power and she started denying everything, and she even said, I don't know the Rohingya, because her fathers even mentioned even the general before the after the general Aung San, the father of the Aung San Suu Kyi, that there was another prime minister called UNU. His name was UNU, and he was the first prime minister in Burma after independence. Yeah. And he himself said in Arakan, in Rakhine, there will be two majority groups like Kachin, Kayin, Karen, Shan. But there were two amongst them. There were two majority community. One is Rohingya, another one is Rakhine community. He himself declared that there will be two majority groups, and the Rakhine will be, a peaceful place by these two community groups. And he himself declared that. And we had a radio channel before 1960. And when the military government came to power, forcefully, and then they stopped our channel, everything. And then even they denied our education, they denied our rights, everything.
My question is, stand with the truth. The world can see when the genocide happened inside the Myanmar in 2017. The Myanmar government, including the Aung San Suu Kyi's party, herself denied it. But Al Jazeera, you saw the satellite satellite picture, so you cannot lie it. I feel ashamed myself when she denied today. She should accept it and bring the perpetrator to the justice. Open your eyes and stand with the truth. So you decide as a human, Rohingya people, all the Karen people, all the Shan people, all the minority people are human too. Stand with the humanity, not with the perpetrator, not the genocider. That's all. That's a message. So please wake up, the Burmese people. Start supporting the victims, not the perpetrator. If you do this, you need to answer whether you follow a religion or not. But look, things. If your mother, if your sister, if your brothers or the kinship, someone burned down in front of you, how do you feel? Question yourself. Now you choose which side you're gonna choose, with the victims or the perpetrators.